Gusto kong akitin tong tree na to, tapos kunin ko yung yellow. Ang dami-daming bunga. Ito, ang dami din dito. There are a lot of dishes na hindi available dito kay Kuya Jay. Ano na Kuya Jay? Bakit ganon? Meron akong hindi na vlog na pangyayari kanina. Nakakahiya.
Today's video presents a day in my life living in Davao. Gala mode kami today, of course. We'll bring you with us.
Okay guys, I'm trying to catch the time when the neighbors are not doing any karaoke, but I just wanted to show you guys what I got from last night. I got these Pond's Magic Powder. I got this Juicy Sweet Delights perfume because they didn't have the one that I really like, but this one smells very good. It smells really fresh.
Before we leave the house, tour ko muna kayo sa labas ng bahay and check out kung ano pang makita dito. First off, agaw eksena tong abot langit na malunggay. Ang dami at ang taas, oh my gulay.
Sa Ireland yan, sobrang mahal. Kapag bumili ka sa Pinoy store, mahal talaga yan, ang isang packet. Pero dito, Diyos ko, tumutubo lang sa gilid ng driveway ni Mami. Tapos, ito meron si Maming pomelo tree. Ang dami-daming bunga. Ito yung isa. Pero hindi pa sila hinog. Ito, ang dami din dito. Ayan. Diba? Cute. So, ayan. Kikita niyo yun. Gusto kong akitin tong tree na to, tapos kunin ko yung yellow. Hinog na siya kapag, pag yellow na yung kulay ng prutas. Pero itong isang tree na to, siya, rambutan. Wala lang siyang fruit kasi it's not in season. But this one is another fruit na tumutubo. Inaayos pa kasi itong lugar na to, kaya this one is tumutubo pa. So, baby pa lang sila. Akitin natin. Mukhang hinog na siya.
And nakalis na rin kami. Gusto ko lang i-mention to kasi ito yung pinaka bagay na namimiss ko sa Pilipinas. Yung nakikita ko lang yung beach view and pwede ka lang mag-swimming sa beach kung gusto mo. Nakakamiss lang. And yeah, napag-isipan namin pumunta kami sa SM para kumain at mag-shopping. At ang unang restaurant na nakaagaw attention namin is itong may itsura ni Kuya Jay. Of course, dahil idol ng asawa ko to, dito kami kumain. And nirecommend din to sa akin ng pinsan kong si Chiki. Makikita niyo siya sa mga first few vlogs ko dito sa Pilipinas. Sabi niya masarap daw dito yung halo-halo, so gusto ko talaga matikman yung halo-halo nila. They have a lot of good Filipino food choices which was amazing, and they also have photos which I really like kasi some of the food na nandito hindi ko alam kung ano talaga sila.
So, nakapag-order na kami ng aming pagkain. Kaso lang, there are a lot of dishes na hindi available dito kay Kuya Jay. Ano na Kuya Jay? Bakit ganon? Wala silang mango shake. Wala silang kahit anong flavor ng shake. Tapos wala silang halo-halo na duo or yung isa na puti lang. Meron lang silang regular ube. Kaso lang, hindi lahat ng nasa menu is available. Wala din silang crispy chicken, diba? Yung crispy skin chicken, wala silang ganon. So, kind of disappointing, but at the same time, hopefully, ma-justify ng flavor or taste ng food yung pagkukulang nila.
So our appetizer called grilled scallops arrived first, and this was heaven at first bite. I recommend this. It is so delicious. And then dumating na yung the rest ng order namin. Meron kaming chop suey, chicken wrapped in pandan leaves, and may sauce siya, hindi ko alam anong tawag. And then this spring rolls na hindi ko alam kung anong laman. And then we have beef sinigang and some crispy vegetables, pero parang crispy pinakbit ata tawag dito. Yun lang. Ang dami namin in-order para sa 3 tao, diba?
Yung balat hindi nakakain, diba?
So, ang in-order ko talaga dito is yung pinaka-unusual, which is the chicken that is wrapped with pandan leaves. Worth it to order it kasi ang sarap.
Flavorful. Yung chicken na to, wrapped in pandan leaves. Very flavorful, especially yung sauce niya. Masarap siya. Actually, 8 out of 10.
Also, ang sarap din ng iced tea nila. This is what I noticed sa Pilipinas. Ang sarap ng iced tea talaga sa Pilipinas. Lagi siyang available in majority of the restaurants. And then, tinikman ko yung sinigang na beef. Hindi ko masyado siya type. Although malambot yung beef, hindi ko siya gusto. Hindi siya ganun kaasim. But, okay na. And then, yung spring roll nila, sobrang sarap. Sobrang sarap talaga. Especially yung ididip mo siya sa sauce. Sarap niya. It is more refreshing kapag dinip mo siya sa sauce.
Yung laman niya is chicken siya. Masarap talaga siya. Especially with the sauce. Very good combination sila. Itong napili ni Mami ng chop suey. There's nothing really special about it, but very refreshing siya. Typical tempura Sobrang sarap na kasi everything is fried and crispy. Hindi siya ganun kasarap for me kasi gusto ko yung maasim talaga na sinigang. And very unusual yung lasa ng yung beef. Malambot yung beef. Ang bilis din dumating ng pagkain.
Dessert time! Ang sarap ng ube halo-halo nila, guys. Super recommend ko talaga, as in. Yung ice niya, para siyang, yun na yung shaved ube. As in, so worth it. Try nyo talaga to. Magpababa muna tayo ng mga kinain and let's go shopping!
Pagpasok ko, meron agad staff na umapit sa akin. Lalaki. Bakla ba yun, be? Tapos, dinirect niya ako agad kung saan yung foundation, yung stall niya mismo. Yun agad yung pinili ko. Parang wala na akong chance na maghanap ng iba kasi nandiyan na siya para magbigay ng service.
The salesman was coming on too strong for me and na-pressure ako kaya pinili ko na lang kung ano yung pinakita niya sa akin. Pumunta kami dito sa Broadway Gems and ang daming sobrang kikay na mga items from necklace to hair accessories.
Oh, naman, cute oh. Itong bibilin ko cute. Diba?
Sobrang cute. I had to buy something. And then nagpunta kami sa Happy Skin and BLK stall. Napansin ko dito sa stall na to, merong isang sales lady na she was just staring at me so intensely na parang galit siya sa akin. Ano ba, tingin ba niya scammer ako? Nakakainis ba ako? Or gutom ba siya? And tingin niya masarap akong lechon? I don't know. But hindi ko na lang siya pinansin. Parang kunyari nonchalant ako. Pero napansin ng mami ko. So ito yung nangyari.
Gandahan siguro. Parang galit siya.
Ayos mo. Happy skin!
So after ng eksena na yun, nagpa-eyelashes ang lola niya.
New lashes. What do you think? New lashes, new haircut.
And then nakita ni mami itong bibingkinitan and gusto niyang matry. And we tried it, pero in my opinion, mas masarap talaga yung mga bibingka na binibenta ng mga vendors kasi yun talaga yung parang super OG na mas masarap. Wala lang, hindi ko talaga siya masyado type. So yun lang, opinion ko lang naman.
So we're trying to find a toy for Arisha because minsan lang kami makakita ng girl na baby. So we're like going crazy on toys. I know Arisha likes pink. So we're looking for a doll for her na she might like. And there's so many choices.
So kaya?
Na ma-interactive.
Ito mo maganda rin oh.
Ay, ito cute. Mushroom. Or ito. Ito cute din to. Ang cute niyan. Parang flowers. How about Hello Kitty?
Maganda rin pero mabigat.
$7.99.
Mura na nga.
Parang ako gusto ko para sa sarili ko yan. Pero ito talaga ang pinaka-cute para sa akin. A pig. Or the Hashiba.
Sayang hindi ko na-vlog majority of the time na nag-grocery kami, pero sobrang excited ko. Kala mo napaka-ignorante ko ngayon ako nakapunta ng grocery.
Nagmamadali kami kasi whole place is closing up very soon.
Here in the Philippines, there are staff to pack your groceries. Dalawa pa sila nagpapack talaga, as in spoiled na spoiled talaga yung mga Filipino na nag-grocery dito. Dito kasi sa Europe or sa Ireland kung saan ako nakatira, kanya-kanya kaming pack and mape-pressure ka talaga and sobrang bilis mag-scan nung nag-i-scan, lilipad yung mga pinamili mo. Alam ko yan kasi dati din akong cashier and ang training sa akin kailangan ay 30 items per minute ang scan ko. Kung hindi, ako mapapagalitan. Pero yeah, eventually nung tumagal na ako, wala na akong pakialam. So, take my time na lang. Depende kung anong kaya ng customer. So, yun lang. Share ko lang.
Anyway, nakauwi na kami ng bahay. Meron akong hindi na vlog na pangyayari kanina. Nakakahiya.
Kinilig ka lang.
Ano kinilig? Ano nagsasabi mo kinilig? Sino kinilig sa pinagagagawa mo? So, anyway, nag-grocery nga kami kanina, diba? Napansin nyo na sila yung nagpapack ng mga grocery namin and everything. So, nahiyan ako na ipagpatuloy yung pag-vlog ko. Si Anjo, may eksenang nangyari between him at saka yung nagpapack ng mga groceries namin. Natapos na ipack ni Kuya yung bag, tapos parang nauntog doon sa trolley yung bag. Tapos sabi ba naman itong Anjo na to?
Sabi ko, Kuya, kalma lang. Kalma lang, baka mabasag, Kuya.
Tapos tumingin sa akin si Kuya. So parang feel ko na-awkward si Kuya. Tumawa na lang ako. So natawanan kaming dalawa ni Kuya. Pagkatapos maya-maya may sinabi ako, ayun sila Kuya Pony oh. Kasi tinatanong ni Mami kung nasaan si Kuya Pony. Tapos bigla ba naman sabi itong Angelo na to na, porket maganda ka lang.
Oo, sabihin maganda ka.
Tapos wala naman ko sinasabi, ba't ka ba nangaaway? Ha? Pati si Kuya, inaaway mo, sabi ko dito sa bukong na to. Tumawa si Kuya. Tapos alam niyo ba ang sinabi ni Anjo? Parang gago talaga tong asawa ko.
Kuya, nililigawan niligawan ko, hindi pa ako sagutin eh. Sabi ko, bagay ba kami kuya? Tingin mo, bagay kami. Tapos sabi gano'n ni kuya, oo sir, bagay kayo.
Hiyang-hiya na talaga ako.
Wait.
Nahiya na ako.
Kilig.
Nahiya ako na kinilig.
Tatanungin ko sana yung pangalan niya. Sabihin ko, kuya, anong pangalan mo? Kasi pag sinagot na ako nito at kinasal kami, gagawin kitang ninong.
What the? Ito yung pinagdadaanan ko ngayon every time nakasama ko tong tao. Napakahiya na siya. Pakita ko pala sa inyo kung ano yung binili ko. Of course, bumili kami ng towel kasi wala na kaming towel. It is the Canadian Combed 100% cotton.
Wow!
Wow naman. Tapos, guess what? Happy Skin. Lip Mallow Plush Matte Lip Tint from Happy Skin in the shade of Cinnamon. Si Mami binilhan ko ng shade na, I think, Slay ata yung kulay. Tapos, ito yung color. Sobrang ganda. Ano siya? Cheek and lip tint. Mahal siya ha? Mga 300 something din ata. 300 or 500 something. Not sure. Magkatabi lang yung BLK at saka yung Happy Skin. So, bumili ako ng lip oil from BLK. Kasi matagal ko na talaga siyang gusto. Lip oil in the shade of Sunkissed. This is good for morena. At the moment, I am a morena. So, this is what it looks like sa lips. Very nice and moisturizing. This shade Shimmer. This one is so pretty. Parang ano lang siya. Very light. Peachy color. I got this ears. I love their ears. Got this kind of ears. Cute. And then I got this hairband. And then this hairband. Looks like that. It's really sparkly. Guys, you know what I noticed here in Philippines? I feel more confident to go in to like different services like lash services, nail services. You know, like ask them for their opinions and stuff. They're more helpful, I think. They're like willing to help, but at the same time, I like to shop and look around myself. This is one of my favorite scent. The daily scent. It smells so good. Oh, I love it so much. It's my favorite. And then I got a foundation. Finally, it's the BYS All Day Wear Foundation in the shade of Buildable Coverage Natural Beige. This is the one I was talking to you about. Like, as soon as I got into Watson's, this guy just goes up to me and, "Hi, ma'am. Ano pong kailangan nyo?" I wasn't gonna ask him for help. I guess it would be faster if I actually just accept his help. So I said I needed foundation. And he brought me straight to the powder foundation where you wet it and then it becomes a foundation. But I didn't really like it, so I asked for a liquid foundation. And he gave me this foundation that was for dewy skin. But I was like, I don't really like the dewy skin because I have oily skin. But I've already mentioned that to him before anything else. And then I asked him, like, is there any other foundations other than this foundation? And he goes, yeah, there's another one here. And I found this all day wear foundation that has SPF 20. Philippines, there's not a lot of like shades. There's like 3 shades. That's what I noticed. There were 3 shades available, and I thought that was really shite because someone could be really, really dark. Like, I think that's something that Philippines needs to work on, because I saw Happy Skin as well. They only had like 3 shades. There was ivory, butterscotch, and was it olive? But there was only 3 shades available, and none of them were my shades. I could pick like 2 colors, mix them together, but it just sucks that they don't have all shades available for different skin tones, like black women. They have one for white women. There's porcelain, but it's not really that white. Y'all better work on your shade choices, Philippines.